Here's a small parcel of a few pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres. It's quite an inexpensive little deal. They're not high quality stones, of course, for that sort of money, but as you'll see advertised there on the page. But they are still great value for money, I think. Nice eye in the middle there. Cut it into 2 or 3 pieces, and that with little long skinny stones. The least good piece amongst it. You have to decide what you want to do with it, but this brown here could grind off and you might end up with a bit more colour. Resting pattern, ready to shape. Not sure what you do with that piece. Almost matrix type material. Just a little chip, I think. Another little piece there. Maybe start with something like that and just practice on it. It is thin, so you've got to be careful when you're polishing it and cutting it. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.